Hi, this is Tim with Tactical Walls. We've got a brand new VMod product. This is for the Jeep JK. We've got a brave volunteer. This is Eric. He's got his JK out here. We're in the wilderness and we are going to show you how quick and simple and easy it is to install the Tactical Wall VMod system onto a JK. We made the system for the JL originally, and so many people said, what about the JK? So we're working backwards now. There's a lot more JKs on the road than JLs. So Eric's pretty amped, you can't tell, but this is Eric at 10%. So first thing you got to do to install the system, you've got this panel inside your JK tailgate, and there's some wiring here. With no tools at all, you can grab it, and from the bottom, you just pop it right off. And you can see that just hides and protects the wiring for your tail light, or your tail light and your license plate light. So we don't need this anymore. I'll put it in the back, I guess. And what we're going to replace it with is, this is our foundation plate, I guess. It's the base plate that's going to allow us to attach accessories onto this. And then you'll see a really cool trick with the big panel. We got all sorts of other gear. So I'll get Eric to help me hold it. We're going to just hold it up in this corner.
Is there any mods or anything you need to put this on?
Nothing. Self-tappers. We got 8 self-tappers. And we're just going to, you can see where it fits right in there. Nestles in this nice little body line. I'll get you to hold that real good. And go ahead and grab the impact driver. And I'm going to go ahead and with this in place, we're going to go ahead and drive it right in. Once we get 2 of these in here, we can go ahead and drive the rest of them. And that's about as simple of an install as you could want. We make a similar system also for the Toyota FJ Cruiser. Okay. The Toyota stuff takes a little bit more to install, but like I said, this is the simplest and easiest mod.
I mean, even a beginner could do this.
As long as you can use a screw gun. What do we got? Down 2 more, and you'll see how useful this little. There's always one. And the last one, and there you go. I mean, how long did that take? A minute?
If that.
Yeah.
If that.
So there you go. That's the base plate. Now we got all these different accessories. This is just a generic hook and loop type accessory. And you can put anything you want in there: road flares, work gloves, safety glasses, any kind of tools. And you're able to just install that and lock it onto the plate. So when you're out on the trail, if you need access to your tools, you can take them off very quickly and easily. We've got another example here. This is pretty cool. You don't know what you're going to be working on. We've just modified an existing tool case very simply with 4 screws, but that allows us to go ahead and install a whole bit set.
Wow.
So, you can have that there.
Are those sold separately for the tool kits?
That little block, yeah, yep. Okay. And it allows you, I mean, you can modify any of your existing tools, or if you want to take your, I don't know, maybe you have this, maybe you got it for taking wheels off. You got one of the bigger, heavier duty battery impact guns. You can keep all your gear instead of bouncing and rolling around and back. I mean, that's where you need your cooler, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's where you got to put your cooler and that other stuff.
I mean, what,
so
5 minutes?
There you go.
5 minutes already on.
To use it.
Already functional. You
can take it right off. Now you can use it. If you want to store even more stuff though, you can really get a lot more space out of the real estate on the tailgate. And we've got this panel here. The way the panel attaches is the same way. You just go ahead and line it up and lock it down onto the tailgate. There it goes. And you can pop it right off the same way. So, no measuring or anything on your part. Jeep's gone ahead and give you the area to put it. You just, those 8 self-tappers, and you're ready to go. Ready to set it up for whatever adventure you got. And the cool thing with this, you can have multiple panels.
Yeah.
So you can have one set up for gear to go to the beach. You can have one set up for gear to go camping. You see we've left a little room on this side. They've got the factory option subwoofer in a lot of JKs. So this clears that subwoofer. You can see this entire VMod system at tacticalwalls.com. I've been Tim, Eric. I mean, what? It didn't take us very long. Now you're all set up to outfit it. Hey man, thanks for letting us use your JK as the test bed. Yeah. So there we go. Now all you guys with JKs, you got to get on tacticalwalls.com, find the VMod, and step up the game.